this is Lee. I just wanted to do a quick little video showing you some items that I actually thrifted. A couple of things I didn't thrift, I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm just doing a quick small coffee table centerpiece thing here, so I'm just styling it. The coffee table is really small. It's something that I had for quite a few years. It actually used to be an end table, and I restained it and just added some polyurethane on top of it. It's just here in front of my my little futon that I have here in my office, so I don't need anything too main or too big. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the items that I have, and I'm going to style this coffee table with you. So I hope everyone's having a great day. Okay, so my office is a little bit of a mess because I'm reorganizing some things. So I actually got this item here from the thrift store years ago. It goes with a lot of the theme or thing that's in my office right now. I recently purchased these beads from the Dollar Tree. It had this little what is that thing called? A rainbow at the end of this. So I just took that off, and you won't be able to see all that anyway. Here is a little tray that I have that I thrifted. I think I only paid, what's the price on here? Yeah, I paid $2.49 for this tray. Hey, Magic. Hey, Magics. This I thrifted. This little African head. I don't know what I spent for it. Probably $1 or $2 for it at the thrift store. This actually came from the Dollar Tree. It's this little candle. I thought it was cute because it's orange, and I have a just tiny bit of orange in my office. This little ceramic bowl I thrifted, and these are just some shells. Like, my daughter gave me a shell from her trip. I love this. I love the water. I love seashells. This I got from a trip that me and my husband went to. I don't know if that was San Diego or we went somewhere. This little tree, which I added the little moss on here, and this was $2.49. And this candle is a candle that I got from, it's a cinnamon scented candle from Walmart, and I just put it in this box. And I used to have my pencils in here, but I recently redid the my desk, so I just put that in there. And this is what the top of the table is looking like. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and style this, and let me know what you guys think. All right. If I showed this or not. I got this from the thrift store too. It's been a while.
what I did. It's nothing too major. It goes with the decor that's in my office. So, which is like an Afro boho. I'll show you guys my office little by little when I make little tweaks in here. So let me go ahead and show you how it looks. Okay, so I actually had to record this last part over again because it was super dark. So I was just waiting for it to have a little bit more light in here so you guys can see exactly what I did with my small coffee table. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me go ahead and just turn this around. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Like I said, it's a very small coffee table that's in front of my futon, so it gives you an idea of the ratio. And then I'll do a room tour one day if anybody even wants to see that. But yeah, this is how it looks. I'm very happy with it. It's something small, nothing too major. Sorry y'all, I'm just learning how to use this gimbal that my son got me for Christmas. All right, so hope you guys like the video. I'm really happy with it. Like I said, almost everything on here is thrifted, and the only 2 items I purchased was from the Dollar Tree, which is, that and the beads, candles. The other candle came from Walmart. All right, you guys have a great day. Thank you so much if you made it this far. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm very grateful. All right, you guys have a great day.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you.